everybody, also from my side. Next slide, please. I will give you a short and fast introduction of the core module 10. And as it was mentioned, TRL7 deals with the integration into the built environment. So at first, as a short overview, we are looking for projects with rather higher TRLs. So we are more on the application side than on the research side. Besides that, we don't have any specific core module requirements. So please take a look at the overall code text and inform yourself about the overall requirements, and then also for sure about possible national requirements you need to deal with. Next slide, please. So what's the focus of TRL7? I'm not going to read the bullet points, but the overall focus is to transform the built environment from the passive part in the whole energy system to an active part in the overall energy system. So with integrating renewable energy production and also different type of storage, the building itself should become more active, how to say. And the rest you could probably read in the bullet points already. So next slide, please. Just going forward a bit to save time. So as you can see, there are also maybe other TIs where individual technologies can be developed. And then later on, when you want to integrate it as a whole system into the built environment, this is where TRL7 comes in. And then after our TRI, you might have problems like the DUT, for example, where you can go on further with your work. So we are really focusing on the interface, let's say the emphasis on the integration aspect. That's really the big focus of TRL7. Next slide, please. And the scope of the TI, more specifically, we've identified 3 challenges which we want to address. So it's really the transformation of the single building or the built environment overall to an active part within the energy system. Then challenge 2, digitalization of the whole life cycle. So planning processes, the construction process, commissioning, and maybe also in the end a dismantling process. And now for this year, for the upcoming call, new is challenge 3, where we want to deal with the existing built environment. So we are looking for new concepts and technologies to renovate and refurbish.